Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to work with email actions to change ticket properties. I will show you how to use email commands for setting ticket properties when creating or replying to a ticket. Email-based ticket systems convert incoming customer support emails into tickets. Agents and customers can also respond to tickets through email. With BoldDesk's email ticketing, the email action feature allows agent to modify certain ticket properties, such as status, assignee, and requester, through a support email by simply sending an email to the support team with an appropriate command and value. To utilize email actions, it is necessary to include a command and its value within the body of your email. For example, to assign the ticket to an agent with the email address someone@organization.com, you should use #assignee someone@organization.com. This feature can be used for two events: creating a ticket, replying to a ticket email. You can perform the following actions during ticket creation with email actions: assigning a ticket to an agent, placing a ticket under a specified category, setting the requester for a ticket, creating a private ticket. First, to assign a ticket to an agent, enter the command #assignee. Provide as the value the valid email address of the agent. To set a category for a ticket, use the command #category and provide the name of the category. You can also set a ticket requester by using the command #requester and providing a valid email address for the contact. To set a ticket as private, enter the #private command. This command is a short key and does not require any value. By including a command and value in the email body, you can define the supported ticket properties. This will ensure that the ticket is created and the values in it defined. Next, let's see how to use email actions in ticket replies. Email actions let you change ticket properties when a reply is posted via email. The following actions can be done this way: changing the status of a ticket, posting the ticket reply as a private note. To update the ticket status, enter the command #status, then provide a valid status value. Additionally, you can set a ticket reply as a private note with email action support by using the #private or #note commands. These commands are short keys and do not require a value. By including a command and a value in the email reply body, the ticket properties will be changed as defined. Finally, let's go through some points to note when using email actions. Command and value details should be separated by only one space. Each command should be separated by a new line. Commands can be placed anywhere in the body of the email. For the command to be accepted, it must be both valid and accurate. The system will cross-check the values against the database, and if they do not match, the command will be disregarded. In such a case, the system will still process any remaining actions. Commands and values are case-insensitive. In this video, I explained how to use email commands for setting ticket properties when creating or replying to a ticket. If you found this video useful, remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.